Hey guys, Kyle here. Thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to show you guys the all-new Jones motorcycle hub for various Triumph, BSA, and Norton motorcycles. So if you guys are looking for a replacement hub, or if you're in the process of lacing your wheel and you want a replacement, check out some of these Jones hubs that we're now offering on the website. Let's open up the box and let's see what we got. All right, so each Jones hub comes in its own fancy green box, which is pretty cool. And they come packaged really nice. This one specifically is for a Triumph T140 and TR7, also T160. Essentially any Triumph twin or triple that has a disc brake. CNC billet alloy, so it's all machined from one piece, unlike some of the originals where they're cast then machined. So this is a very, very strong hub, and as you can see, it has a really nice finish already. This one comes complete as pictured. So it comes with the axle spindle, the locking nut here, comes with the ring, comes with 4 bolts, the washers, the lock nuts, washers on this side, bearings installed, also has the circlip. Essentially, if you have a rim and spokes, this hub is ready to go. So this is actually a really good deal because you can actually buy an entire hub assembly, probably cheaper than working with an original hub and buying all the pieces that it needs. So if your original hub has run out, you can either machine it or just buy a new one like this and be done with it. I want to take a minute to dive into hub runout. I'm going to use my Triumph 350 for example. So the rear hub here, which is very prone to run out, especially on used ones that are damaged. I believe these flanges are actually brazed on and some of them are welded on. It's the mating face from the hub itself to the drum. Sometimes it's off. It could be just from machining, it could be from wear, whatever it may be. So it's really important when you're working with these hubs, whether it's a drum like this one or a disc brake, that you actually check the runout. So with this drum attached to the hub, typically, if there was run out and you rotate the wheel, you'll see the sprocket center line kind of wobble back and forth. So that is run out. So you would essentially fix that by replacing the hub or machining it. Over to the Rob North triple. The front wheel, which is a dual disc brake, this side has 3,000ths run out when I check this surface here. I believe the other side has 2,000ths run out. For most guys, I would probably say that's fine, but mind you, when you put the disc brakes on and the diameter is much larger than the actual diameter here, the runout is going to increase. And as you guys know with disc brakes, runout is not good and you will feel it at the brake lever and the braking quality will be very poor. Another tip that I want to let you guys know is that aluminum hubs. Make sure you warm the hubs up before you draw the bearings in. I recommend that you draw them in or press them in. Hammering them in is very risky, especially if it isn't going square. If you broach the journal, you will damage the hub. Take care of it and just put some heat to it and lube everything up and then press them in. Now that we got that out of the way, we do have other ones on the website. We do have them for Norton Commandos, we have them for dry frame Triumphs, we have them for disc brakes, drum brakes, a couple different ones. If Jones comes out with any more hubs, we'll definitely sell them. So if you guys are interested, take a look at the link below and you guys can see our current stock and all of our current pricing. So with that being said, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Take care.